How to clean up C drives in Windows 10 and 11 for best performance. If you discover that your Windows computer is lagging, then here are the tips you need to put in place to clean up your C drive on your device for best performance. So we are going to start from the simplest to the complex. So make sure you watch this video to the end. The first one is very simple. You need to set up an automatic clean up for your device. This is very simple. It can be done within a very few steps. So watch this video and learn that particular process. Combine Windows plus I key on your device. It brings to this interface called settings. Now from here, go ahead and click on system. Once you click on system, scroll up until you get to storage, click on it. When you click on storage, it brings to this interface. Then go ahead and turn on this button, storage sense. If this button is toggle off, make sure you turn it on. Not only that, once you've toggled it on, then click on the button here to expand this page. Once what you have to do is to configure this setting of your device so that your system will automatically clean up the C drive without any problem, without your own intervention. Now let's configure this. The first thing is configure cleanup schedule. You can see run storage cells on. Click on this arrow. You have about 4 options here. The first one is every day, every week, every month, and during low free disk space by default. So if you are the type that use your computer regularly, I will encourage you to select every month. And if you are the type that store or that use your computer on occasional, maybe you may use every month or when the drive is having a low space. But for me that use my computer regularly, I select every week. Now delete file in the recycle bin if they have been there for how long, that for X days. You have this option: 1 never, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, by default 60 days. So guys, I always use 14 days because I use my computer regularly, and this has to do with you. It has to do with you. The next option that you need to take a look at is delete file in my download folder if they haven't been opened for X days. For how many days? Then click on it. A lot of people use 1 day, but believe me, I will encourage you to use this one as default, at least 60 days, because once you download some important folder of documents and you are unable to clean up it will be deleted from your device completely. So I will encourage you to use default, so you manually clean up your download on your device. Now that I've done that, then this setting is good in place, then you are good to go. With these simple settings, your C drive will clean itself automatically. So this is very simple. The next thing you have to do is very simple. It's going to use an inbuilt app for Windows computer to clean up its space. So come to the start button here, click on it. In the search bar here, type in this cleanup. You have this option, click on this option. Once you click on that option, it brings you to this interface. Now make sure you select C drive here. Select this C drive, then click on OK. When you click on OK, it comes out like this. Now here is what you need to do. Make sure that this button, temporary internet file, is selected. Then delivery optimization file is also selected. Then scroll up to this place. Make sure that this button is also selected. You see, some people, their device accumulate more of this because I'll be doing this time to time, and you have a little thing here. Then click on this button that says clean up system file. Then make sure that you are still on the C drive again. Then click on OK. Once you click on OK, just wait a few seconds for this to complete its process. Now once that has been completed its process, it brings to this interface. Now go ahead and select Window Update for Clean Up. Then select this one that says temp file. Select this one, delivery optimization file. Now click on OK. Then click on delete this file. Just wait a few seconds for this process to delete everything you've set up here. So by doing this, guys, it's going to free up some space on your C drive, thereby improving the rate at which your PC is performing. So just wait a few seconds for this to clean up your C drive. Another thing you have to do is to be sure that you remove every unused apps on your device. Some of these apps have been on your device, or some people have been on your device for years, for months, and you are not using them. This is harmful, it's not of use to your device. So you manually remove these apps on your device. How will you go about that? Is very simple. Click on the start button again, then here type in control panel. It brings to this interface. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, you have yourself at this page. Then click on program file, this button, program and feature, click on it. And if yours is not as small as this, click on this place. If yours is as big or as big as this category like this, then you may click on this button, program, to install program. You see the same thing, brings to this interface. Now click on this arrow and select this button, details. So this will be able to see the name of the apps and the and what they occupied on your device. Like this one now, BlueStack. I've not been using BlueStack. It's just there is occupied about 1.9 gig. That's almost 2 gig. So right click on this button, then uninstall, then click on yes to uninstall this. So you have to wait for this program to be uninstalled from your device. So just uninstall. So we are waiting for this to be uninstalled from our device and install completely. Then that has been removed. Unless this one is also of no use, click on it, uninstall. So just scroll through your own device and remove every unused apps on your device, like this one as well. Uninstall it, click on it and uninstall. So uninstall it completely from our device. So every app that you are not using here, make sure that you uninstall them. Now with this, we've been able to free up some space on our device. So make sure you walk through this and manually remove every apps you are not using on your device to clean up your C drive on your PC running on Windows 10 and Windows 11. We need to manually flush our recycle bin. You have been working and you, despite that we've set it to be automatically clean up in the beginning of this video, but sometimes you need to manually remove this yourself. Doing so is very simple. Just locate this recycle bin desktop or logo here, right click on it, then you see this empty recycle bin, click on it, then click on yes. With this, your recycle bin has been fully emptied. Then with this, your recycle bin has been fully emptied. Now there's a particular one that I would like you to do, but this one you have to be very careful here because it's going to help you to remove some junk file from your C drive. So here we go. Click on this button on your Explorer button, click on it here, and this is what we call app data folder. We're going to access our app data folder and take away some important folder that we are not using from that place. So click on this Explorer button here, go ahead and click on the PC here. Now open your local disk, double click on it. Once you double click on it, it comes out like this. Then go ahead and open your user button here. Now here I have my name, so locate your name and click on it, double click on it again, it opens. Now here we are looking for app data. You can see from the list of options here, there's no app data here. Then don't panic, click on this button here, view, then scroll down over your mouse to display that says show, then click on hidden item. Once you click on hidden item, then you're going to have access to the app data here, double click on it. Once you double click on it, you have these three options. Then go ahead and click on local here, click on it. Once you click on local here, then take a look at what you see here. You can see, so here you have to be very careful to be sure that you do not delete any folder of installed app on your device. But if you've uninstalled that particular app and you still have access to the folder here, then you can gladly remove it. First one is BlueStack. I've deleted BlueStack on my device. So right click on this box or right click on it and click on this delete button. BlueStack, click on it, then click on this delete button. Let's take a look at it again. Now take a look at other apps that you've uninstalled from your device and they are still here. Now there's a particular thing I want you to take a look at. CapCut. If you use CapCut very well on your device, CapCut stores some file on your device. So let's open CapCut. When you open CapCut and then you open video, you can see that this video is here on my CapCut and I'm not using them again. So all I have to do is to Control A and delete this folder. You can see that I delete only what is inside the folder and the folder is still available on my device. So with this guys, you've been able to clean up your C drive on your computer and your computer will start running perfectly. So this guys, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please, that is what you can do guys to motivate me. Click on that subscribe button, give us thumb up, share this video, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. See you soon guys on our next video.